Are you looking for the top 5 stainless steel rice cookers reviewed before buying? Before buying a rice cooker, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Durability and ease of use are often overlooked, but they can make or break your cooking experience.
Product number 1, Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker caught my attention with its sleek stainless steel exterior and impressive 2-quart capacity. Priced affordably, it offers a solid choice for those looking to cook up to 8 cups of rice with ease. If you want perfectly fluffy rice every time, this is worth a serious look. This rice cooker features easy-to-use programmable digital controls and an automatic keep warm mode, which means you can set it and forget it while you handle everything else. The sensor logic technology is notable. It automatically adjusts the cooking temperature for optimal texture. With over 20,000 units sold this past month, it's clear that many people trust it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You need a rice cooker that guarantees consistency without constant supervision. Now, some people complained about the need for hand washing. Here's the thing though, many appreciate that it helps maintain the product's longevity. If you're okay with a bit of extra care, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for a small family or enjoy a variety of grains. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity or prefer dishwasher-safe options. At its price point, you're getting a lot of value. Now, if the hand washing aspect...
Product number 2, Instant Pot Duo Mini. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker is a game changer for those who want convenience at $89.99. With a 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for small households and really caught my eye with its multifunctionality. If you want a single appliance that does it all, this is worth a serious look. What makes this Instant Pot stand out is its ability to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and more. The tri-ply stainless steel cooking pot evenly distributes heat, which means your meals will come out perfectly cooked every time. Plus, it saves you time by cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. With over 7,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving its versatility. Here's why this matters for you. You can tackle everything from soups to desserts without cluttering your counter with multiple appliances. Now, some users did mention that it can take time to learn how to use it effectively. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it truly simplifies cooking. If you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, this is a minor hurdle for you. This is perfect for you if you like cooking a variety of foods quickly. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward rice cooker without multiple functions. Honestly, for the price, it offers amazing versatility. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better. Product number 3, Kasori Rice Cooker. The Kasori Rice Cooker is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves their grains. Priced at $99.99 with a generous 10-cup capacity. It features a sleek design and advanced technology that caught my eye. If you want an effortless way to prepare various types of rice, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about this cooker is its 18 cooking functions, allowing you to prepare everything from jasmine rice to oatmeal with just a touch of a button. The fuzzy logic technology makes it incredibly user-friendly, adjusting the cooking process for perfect results every time. With over 6,000 units sold in the past month, it's a favorite among rice enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you. It takes the guesswork out of cooking, so you can enjoy perfect rice without monitoring it constantly. Now, some people pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, the capacity and functionality make it worth the counter space if you're cooking for a crowd or meal prepping. This is perfect for you if you love cooking different types of rice and grains. Skip this one if you need something compact for solo meals. At $99.99, it's a solid investment for rice lovers. Now, if you're looking for a more budget...
Product number 4, Elite Gourmet Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet ERC006SS is an incredible value at just $27.99, and it's perfect if you're on a budget. With a 6-cup capacity, it's designed to make cooking easy for families or anyone who enjoys rice. If you want a simple, effective cooker, this is worth a serious look. This cooker stands out with its stainless steel inner pot, allowing for even cooking and easy cleaning. It automatically switches to the keep warm function after cooking, which means you don't have to worry about your rice getting cold. Plus, it's sold over 4,000 times recently, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed for hassle-free cooking without the extra bells and whistles. Now, some users noted that it doesn't have advanced features like digital controls. Here's the thing though, if you want something straightforward that just cooks rice, the simplicity is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a no-fuss rice cooker. Skip this one if you prefer high-tech features or larger capacity. At this price, it's a fantastic deal for what you get.
Product number 5. Aroma Housewares Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares 14-cup rice cooker is a fantastic choice at $58.82, and it's perfect for those who love cooking large meals. With its massive capacity and versatile features, it definitely caught my attention. If you want a rice cooker that can handle family-sized portions, this is worth a serious look. This rice cooker can prepare up to 14 cups of cooked rice, and even comes with a stainless steel steam tray for cooking veggies and meat simultaneously. The 100% food-grade stainless steel pot means you're getting durability and clean cooking. It's also sold over 900 times in the last month, which shows people trust it for their mealtime needs. Here's why this matters for you. You can easily prepare large meals without worrying about multiple cooking pots. Now, some users mention it can take a bit longer to cook than expected. Here's the thing though, the quality of the rice is worth the wait, especially for larger portions. This is perfect for you if you often host family dinners or meal prep. Skip this one if you're cooking for 1 or 2.
So, we've looked at 5 excellent stainless steel rice cookers today. The Aroma Digital is great for those who want easy programming, the Instant Pot Duo for versatility, the Kasori for advanced features, the Elite Gourmet for budget-friendly simplicity, and the Aroma Housewares for larger families. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your cooking style.